All right, okay, so I have another MacBook Pro here. This is a A1708, I believe, or A1707. Let me get this to focus. All right, so it's an A1707 series, as you can see, this is my Type C charger that I have built for Type C devices, especially for the Apple computers, right? And as you know, this is very important to have. Get a regular HP Type C charger and tapped into the circuit of the charger to see, just to see what's going on inside of the charger, because by default every Type C charger releases 5 volts out of its connector and into the machine. And then now through the CC configuration, to boost the voltage to the designated voltage. Right, I'm just trying to get this straight. Guys, as you can see, now I'm going to plug in the charger into the machine and let's see if it's gonna boost. This is a dead machine, right? It has no power, right? It has. All right, so I'm gonna plug in the charger now. So as you can see, I have 5 volts. It's not boosting, it's taking 1 amp, so that's a short, right? So that's a short. So without this the LCD tapping into the charger and the circuit on the whole, we can't see what's going on. Using a regular DC power supply is going to be a bit difficult to judge this fault, right? It's almost impossible. So you have to use a Type C charger, wire your configuration into the LED, the ammeter. This is an ammeter to measure voltage and current. As you can see, it's not boosting, right? So I plug it out. The voltage is default 5 volts, so it's not boosting to the designated voltage. It should be 15 volts. See, plug it in again, right? I get 5 volts 1 amp, so that's a short. It could be that my CC configuration bus is shorted, right? Or the input MOSFET may be broken, right? So it's not boosting, and it's a short because 1 amp cannot charge the battery, as in 5 volts need more than 5 volts to charge the battery. All right, so this is a typical problem. This is a common fault on the Type C notebooks of the Apple.